what are the subtopics we'll be covering over here? They are what is Archimedes principle first of all, the causes of buoyancy and the factors which affects this buoyant force. Then volume of the fluid that is displaced, relation between buoyant force and weight of displaced fluid, floating and sinking of objects, conditions for floating and conditions for sinking, also relative density and relative density's difference, and applications of Archimedes principle with some of the examples we see in our daily life. Let me tell you all what actually Archimedes principle is. So, according to Mr. Archimedes, he said that when a body or when an object is immersed fully or partially, fully or partially in a fluid, in a fluid can be liquid or gas. Here, for a better understanding, we are taking water that is liquid. The object experiences an upward buoyant force that is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by it. That is, when I put this object here, it floats. So it is immersed partially here, then it will experience a buoyant force, a force which is acting on the lower portion of this object from the water. That is what Archimedes principle states, buoyant force. What I have written here is the upthrust or the buoyant force which is acting on this object. When I showed you the weight of liquid displaced that object is equal. When I put this object, some of the liquid which was here is displaced by it, meaning the liquid has gone to the sideways. So the weight of that fluid, the amount of fluid is equal to the buoyant force that is acting on this object. Causes of buoyant force. Why buoyant force happens? Buoyant force is caused by the pressure difference. The pressure difference